We just unboxed the Ryobi 2500 to 3300 psi surface cleaner. It's got a little quick connect to the handle. It's got a little pin for nozzle cleaning. Better save that. And underneath, it's just like a lawn tractor spinning head, basically. That's going to come out a lot more powerful. So we're going to give it a try and try to clean up this stain here. We're going to try to do the whole sidewalk and walkway and driveway. We'll try it here first. How did that start? Okay, this is my GCF 200 pressure washer, and I did something on the handle. I changed it a little bit because this hose is really stiff, and when you're winding it up, you got to keep going, twisting the handle all the time. So I bought this 2-piece coupler, Home Depot. It's got a piece here and a piece here. This is a 3300 pressure washer, 3300 psi pressure washer, and these things are supposed to hold like 6,000 pounds or something. So it works, and it gives me the ability to straighten this out without having to do all this with the wand. Okay, we'll get the water hooked up, and we're going to get some pressure out, dripping a little bit. That's the straight water. And do this connect. Put this connect on. There we go. It's on. So there are no wheels, just going to hover on its own pressure. Okay, just turn this on. Put the water running. And the pump. Warm up a bit, auto choke. Okay, first time using it, I liked it. It's very easy to move. And I guess there's a technique. Probably better to start up high so the dirt can wash down on itself. But I can already see the stains gone. We'll look at it after it dries tomorrow. You can see in the water here, it's got a little mud on it. This is the first time we've cleaned this driveway in, let's see, 14 years. So we're going to go over here and try it where there's not just stains but mildew. Okay, we're going to try this square right here. It's got a lot of stains from the trees dripping all the time. Connect, put this head on, and spray the dirt off so we can take a look. And I'm going to put that on wide angle, 45-degree angle. see where we missed before and after. This little area was what it looked like before when it was wet. It's a lot more work with just a handle. Got some soap solution in here. We're going to try the soap features, which are jet and fan. We'll try fan first. We're going to try to spray it over here. Ready? So, here's soap. That's on fan. Try it on jet. How far it goes. Ooh, that's nice. I decided to add the black hose connection to here. This is a old pressure washing machine hose. That way I don't have to climb underneath there each time. And I'm just going to wrap it up here when I'm done with it. Leave it attached to the unit. Save me some downtime on my knees. I went back over this section this morning. You got the dirt, mildew. Did not get the oil stain. I didn't put any solvent on there. I put some barkeeper's friend here. This section is clean. This section's clean. Did not do this one. You can see the gray shade. And did not do this one. But immediately you can see where we did it. Unclean, clean. Looks really nice all the way down. Didn't take off any surface material like the concrete between the gravel. We can actually see there's different color gravel now. There's blues and reds and browns. They've all been looking kind of black and gray. So came out really nice. It's a nice little tool for most of our needs on the ground. Have to figure out how to treat things that are stained with petroleum-based products, I suppose. And I'll let my son finish this path here.